following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Characters from a show called Wubbzy has been invading the city of Miami. The characters are unknown at this time. All residents of the city of Miami seek shelter. No action must be terminated at this time. Tune into local TV outlets for further information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department at 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The characters are going to be confirmed. Confirmed. Their characters' name and confirmed, but they are not limited to Wubbzy, Daisy, Widget, Walden, Sparkles, Shimmer, Shine, Max, Jefferson, Title, Tool Guy, Bucky, Huggy, and Earl. These characters are no mercy to us all. All residents of the city of Miami must seek shelter now. Stay tuned for more further information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Bureau of Investigation. The situation that was happening in Miami has worsened. These characters are invaded to new states across the country, which include Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and Texas. If you live in any of these states, seek shelter now or evacuate. Please stay tuned for further information on this developing and dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. This is not a test. This is a national emergency. The characters are in 20 states across the country, the United States. They include Florida, Alabama, Georgia, Mississippi, Louisiana, Texas, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Maine, and Ohio, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, and West Virginia. All residents in these states are advised to seek shelter now. Gather supplies of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio, including flashlights. Do not approach these characters as they are extremely serious. If you approach these characters, you will face certain death by the president will speak on all stations shortly. Stand by. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasting cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station is interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, both stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public and assign notice. This is Miami TV channel. We will continue to serve the... We will continue to serve the Miami area. If you're not in this local area, tune into stations providing news and information for your area. Do not use the telephone unless you have an emergency. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an all-clear message. The Wubbzy characters who have invaded the rest of the United States have kindly taken down for it, but no point in coming back. All residents may exit their shelters. Please stay tuned to local news media outlets as there's massive damage and it will take many years for the United States to come back. All residents may allocate your shelters. The government thanks you for your cooperation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The fact that all the characters who have invaded the rest of the world all attempts to take them down have failed. As a result, the characters have invaded 75% of the entire planet, and there's 25% of the planet will be invaded in the next 24 to 72 hours. All residents in the world must gather your friends and family and wait for a certain death. This is President Office, and a lot of world leaders has been killed. This is the government thanks you for your cooperation, but this is the end. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. All normal programming will now shut down for the final time. This is the EAS guy, Antonio, signing off. This message will announce its transmission.